Good morning. How are you today? Welcome back to English Lessons Strada Kampung Sawah Elementary School for the second grade with me, Miss Rosa. Are you ready for the lesson? Before we go further, can you read the title first? Is this your computer? So, what we are going to learn? Please check it out. Okay, so can you see the picture here? What is this? Yeah, so this is kind of gadgets or electronic items. You can see there is laptop, handphone or cell phone and the tablet. So the learning objectives for this chapter is first, talk about and identify computer and electronic items. Second, ask information questions with demonstrative pronouns. And also you learn describe objects with simple adjectives. And the last one is focus on phonics sounds ending with at, and am. So here we go.
I will show you some pictures and then can you guess what are they? The first one. Do you know this? Yes, it is a keyboard. Can you say keyboard? Now, let's spell the word together. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard. Good. Next. Mouse. Yes. Can you say mouse? M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Next. Cell phone. Can you say cell phone? C-E-L-L-P-H-O-N-E. Cell phone. Next. Computer. Can you say computer? C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer. And then, do you know this? Yes, it's camera. Can you say camera? C-A-M-E-R-A. Camera. Now, what is this? Yes, it is a television. Can you say television? T-E-L-E-V-I-S-I-O-N. Television. After you know the 6 words before, I will give you another practice. Can you open the student book, page 16? After that, I will play the recording and you have to number the pictures based on the recording. Let's try. Number 1
Unit 2. Is this your computer?
And then
Listen and number.
Cell phone.
Number 1.
Number 3 is
Computer.
television.
Computer.
Number 4 is
Number 2.
camera.
Cell phone.
Number 5 is
Cell phone.
keyboard. And the last one,
Number 3.
6 is mouse.
Television.
Are all your
Television.
answers correct? If yes,
Number
good
4.
job, everyone.
Camera.
Now let's continue.
Camera.
Number 5.
Keyboard.
Can you see the picture?
Keyboard.
See the position
Number
of
6.
the finger.
Mouse.
It's close to the
Mouse.
object. If I ask you, is this your cell phone? If it is yes, you can answer, yes, it is. This is my cell phone. So see the second picture. Is it different between the first and the second here? Yes, it's different. So can you see the position of the finger here? So it's far with the object. I have questions. Is that her mouse? If it is no, you can answer, no, it is not. That is his mouse. Or you can say, is that her mouse? No, it is. So, in conclusion, this is used if the object is near you, and that is used if the object is far with you. Now, let's practice. Can you open the student book page 17? Here, I will play the recording and then can you complete the missing here? Let's try.
Listen and write. Is that your television?
Yes, it is.
Is this your cell phone?
Yes, it is. It's new.
Is that your camera?
No, it's hers.
Okay, so now let's check the answer together. So, the first blank here, what is the question? Is that your television? And then what is the answer? Yes, it is. Okay, so is your answer correct? Wow, good job everyone. Now let's read the dialogue together and then can you repeat after me? So see the first picture. Is that your television? Yes, it is. Now the second picture. Is this your cell phone? Yes, it is. It's new. The third picture. Is that your camera? No, it's hers. Okay, now, is the material clear for you? If it is yes, let's move on to the practice. If it is no, you can repeat my video and see the explanation again. Okay, now we go to the practice. Can you answer the questions? Complete the blanks based on the picture. I'll give you time for 15 seconds. Are you ready, guys? Starting from now. Okay, time's up. So have you answered all questions here? So let's check together. Number 1, can you see the finger here? Is it near or far with the object? Okay, it's near, right? So the answer will be this. This is my camera. How about number 2? That is my television. And the last, the third picture here, it will be, is this your computer? Okay, so is it correct? Okay, good job. Now let's see to the other question. Okay, here you will make sentence based on the picture. I'll give you time for 15 seconds, starting from now. Okay, so here, see the picture. So what is the sentence will be? So it will like the previous one. So this is my keyboard. And then how about the second one here, number 5? It will be, that is your cell phone. Okay, is that correct? So far here, is that clear for you? Okay, now we learn to use adjectives. Here, the example adjectives you can use to describe the object. Can you see the picture? Can you compare the first and the second picture? So, in number 1, here, see the pointer, it's big. And the second one, number 2 here, can you see the pointer, it's small. And then, can you compare now number 3 and 4? See the pointer here. So here, it's new. And the fourth one is, it is old. So, see the difference, right? Here we have 4 adjectives. Can you repeat the words after me? Say big, small, new, old. Okay, now we go to the practice. Now here I show you a picture, and can you say and respond? So please repeat after me. Look at this computer. Look at that television. Wow, it's big. Now, can you complete what is the blank here? So the first one, look at that computer. And the girls say here, see what is this? Wow, it's new. Okay, now we go to the other one. So you will practice to complete the blanks here. I will give you time for 15 seconds starting from now. Okay, time's up. So what is the adjective can be used in the first number here? Look at that computer. It is old. And then how about number 2? Can you compare? There are 2 television here. See the pointer. Look at this television. It is big. Yes. Now, number 3 and 4. Ready? Let's start. Okay, for number 3 here. So, see the picture. It's very good, right? So, that is my camera. It is new. And then how about the 4th, the last number? See the picture. Can you compare and see the pointer? This is my cell phone. It is small. Okay, so is it clear for you? Okay, now we learn phonics, how to say the word correctly. You can practice to sound it. Please repeat after me and don't forget to circle which word. Ready? Here we go.
Listen, repeat, and circle. Add. 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 Sad. Sad. Ag. 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 Tag. Tag. Am. Am. Ram. Ram.
a sad ram, and a tag.
Okay, so have you circled the word? So the first picture, you heard s and at. So it will be sad. Can you say sad? Now the second picture, you heard t and ak. So it will be tack or back. So it should be tack. Yes. Can you say tack? And then here, you heard r and am. Which one? Ram or jam? Should be ram. Okay, can you say ram? Now repeat after me. A sad ram and a tack. Okay.
Okay, so this is the end of the meeting today. After you finish your material, will be your homework. So you write sentences on your practice book based on pictures given, and you can see the question sheet in English Google Classroom. After you finish all, you can take picture and upload to your Google Classroom. So I think that's all for my lesson today. Thank you very much for your attention. So keep spirit. Bye bye.